everybody, just look at this plant here. That's not that beautiful, but the got white thing, that's the flowers. Look like the elephant trust, right? Elephant terrace. We could not eat this plant, but we grow this. Or what we know, what we've been researched, there's a very stinky smell plant that could make the other insects scared. And the people growing this because they want this plant to be home remedy for the cattle, for the cows or other animals. Because when the cows eat this, this smell or this plant will create special poisoning thing to kill all the parasite or other insect in the body. That's very helpful for them. And when they leave, they look like pretty much thick. We represent this is the elephant small plants. Beautiful. As I just tasted, it smelled very terrible. I could not stand. And you look at this here. I want just a quick look here. This is the seed. So that's, you know, when they just hit with something, they just drop down the seed straight away. Like here. Look at this. This is the seed here. This seed drop naturally on the ground. If the rain or the water come, they could stay in the water for 1 year. If they just drop the ground naturally on the ground like this, even that's covered the water in the whole rainy season, they still could grow in the next dry season. That's very smart. But this plant, we have no insect come to eat. Very strong smell, very strong. Some farmers will take this plant to put under the chicken cage. That means they want to scare the other insect or the snake as well. They don't want the snake come to disturb their chicken. That's beautiful. This, they already have the seed here, but look up there, the flowers down here, beautiful. It doesn't take that long term to grow, maybe just 3 weeks, and then they get to the soil already. When you grow chili at home, if you see some kind of insect come over to take over the chili, just take this plant, smash them to get into muddy, and then put in the water, soak overnight, and then just take to spread on the chili leaf, on the chili plant. That fly or other insect will fly away after a few days. That's very powerful plant, very powerful plant for the farmers. Right, I think that's all for this plant. Thank you very much. Hopefully you like. Do not forget to subscribe if you think this is one of your favorite plant. Thank you. We will have other insect and other kind of special video later. Hopefully you like it. Thank you.